7 days to relieve anxiety, day 5. Let go of fear and worry. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And softly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to begin to relax. Notice any tension you may be holding. There's nothing you need to fix right now. Just allow yourself to be here. Bring your attention gently to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. With each inhale, invite calm into your body. With each exhale, release any tightness. Fear often lives in the future. Worry pulls your mind away from the present. Right now, you are safe in this moment. Gently remind yourself, I am safe. Let that feeling settle into your body. Imagine your worries as clouds in the sky. Notice them without holding on to them. Watch them slowly drift away. You do not need to chase or control them. They can pass on their own. Return your focus back to your breath. Inhale peace. Exhale fear. Inhale calm. Exhale worry. Allow your shoulders to drop. Relax your jaw and soften your face. Feel the ground beneath you supporting you. You are held and supported in this moment. There's nothing you need to carry right now. Let go just a little more with each breath. You're allowed to feel at ease. You are allowed to rest your mind. Notice how your body feels now. Perhaps a little lighter. Perhaps a little more calm. Stay with this gentle awareness. Breathing slowly and naturally. Each breath grounding you deeper. Each exhale releasing what you no longer need. You're safe. You're calm. You're present. Gently begin to bring awareness back. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.